In today's video, I'm going to teach you access Gmail images. Sometimes, you're in the middle of viewing images in an email and the browser window closes or the tab disappears. Don't worry, this quick method helps you get right back to what you were looking at by using your browser's history menu. Start by moving your mouse to the very top of your screen so the top menu bar is clearly visible. If your browser is in full screen mode or the menu is hidden, simply nudge your cursor upward until the bar appears. The idea here is to bring focus to the area where your browser lists core menus like File, Edit, View, and, most importantly, for this process, History. Hovering at the top ensures you're in the right place to access the controls you need. Next, click on History. This opens a drop-down that shows your recently visited pages and recently closed tabs. You'll often see a concise list right there without having to open a separate page. This is useful because it gives you a snapshot of your recent activity, including any Gmail tabs you may have closed accidentally. If you've just lost the tab a moment ago, it will typically appear near the top, making it quick to recover. Now, select the tab you want to restore. Look for the Gmail tab or the specific email subject you were viewing. Clicking it reopens that exact tab so you can continue where you left off, including returning to any images that were displayed in the email. If you had several related tabs open, say a group of tabs you were using for a task, the History menu may also offer an option to reopen a group or restore multiple tabs from a previously closed window. Choose that option if you want everything from that session to come back at once. This is especially helpful if your browsing session was organized into tab groups that included your Gmail view. A couple of tips as you do this. If you don't immediately see the tab you want in the first list, pause for a moment and check the most recent items. They're typically organized by time, so the one you need should be near the top. Restoring a group will reopen multiple tabs at once, which can briefly slow your browser if you had a lot open, so give it a moment to load. Once your Gmail tab is back, you can proceed to view the images just as before. And that's it. By using the top menu bar, clicking History, and selecting the tab or tab group, you can quickly access your Gmail images again without retracing every step.